How to show or hide secure folder on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on security and privacy. So after click on security and privacy, so scroll down and click on more security settings. So after click on more security settings, and you will see click on secure folder. So if you want to hide secure folder, so turn on this buttons. So after turn on this button, you will see secure folder is hide. So if you want to show secure folder, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see secure folder is show. So you will turn on or turn off this button, so you will see secure folder is hide and show. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can show or hide secure folder on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.